My fellow graduates, please raise your right hand and repeat after me. We, the 2024 graduates of Pakak Elementary School, having received the certificate of graduation, do hereby pledge to the utmost we can bring glory to the school, give honor to our parents, and improve the community and country we live in. We also promise to live a clean life, to be a good example of the youth and citizens in our land, to uphold the ideals